Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing disappearing file and folder names on your Windows computer. So if for some reason everything isn't displaying correctly, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in CMD, and you want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy the first one, so it's the Dism CheckHealth command. So just copy it from my description of my video and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter on your keyboard to begin running that. It should say the operation completed successfully. You want to run the second command here, so just copy it from my description. Again, edit, paste it in, hit enter. You want to run that. Okay, so once that one has completed successfully, we're going to go run the third one here. Okay, so once that one is completed, we're going to go ahead and run the SFC scan. So paste that one in here as well. Okay, so once that's done, I would suggest restarting your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.